Whoa. Wow. Wow. So.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so I just got rid of this one. I cut this off. This one was going across that way. So now
Yeah.
I'm going to drop this one. Boy, that's nice foliage. Holy cow. Okay. So last year I cut about 20 feet or so off the top of this Perineana. I just cut down a Coccifera. I just cut a branch off the Coccifera. The problem is they're just getting too big and out of hand.
Yeah.
So this is probably going to damage the fence. Anyway,
It's okay, we can
I
fix
got to make
that.
sure I don't cut these palm trees when I'm doing it.
No.
So I'm going to get in here and I'm going to cut it off on an angle. It's going to drop down. It is going to crunch that fence, but we'll have to fix it. So
Yeah. Remember you have them bamboos too. And then we'll have to get the tree guy to take the big one down. There she goes.
like that. Now I got to get in here.
They're heavy.
Like a jungle.
Yeah,
That's a heavy tree.
really heavy.
Ah.
Really heavy. This one was pretty rotten. Look at all the little holes in it.